To me, being a geomatics major means measuring the Earth in different ways, analyzing that data that you collect, and integrating that data into systems and forms that people can use in their day-to-day lives. I'm seeking a degree in geomatics because growing up, I'd always been interested in figuring out why the land was laid out the way it was, mapping, imaging, processing that imagery to essentially make maps. So coming to UF, I had no idea the geomatics program even existed, and so I kind of stumbled upon it, and here I am, and it's the best decision I ever made. Geomatics encompasses a lot of different things, from basic surveying, using a total station to measure distances, angles, and elevations from point A to point B, to GIS, which uses that survey data to simply make a map, to photogrammetry, which maps the world through aerial photographs, and even drones, which maps the Earth from the sky. The great thing about the geomatics program is how small and close-knit all of the professors and students are with one another. Because of the close relationships I've been able to make with faculty, I've been afforded countless opportunities and experiences within this field. Over the summer, I had the opportunity to attend the Florida Surveying and Mapping Society Conference in Naples, Florida. It was a great time. I had the opportunity to network with professionals in the field and have access to cutting-edge equipment. And it's opportunities like these that I know geomatics is where I want to be. After graduation, I have plans to pursue a certificate in geospatial analysis in hopes of becoming a GIS analyst. GIS analysts use survey data from the field to solve real-world issues. Say, for example, figuring out how a truck gets from point A to point B in the fastest route possible. These are things I really enjoy, and I'm really excited to see what the future holds. Being a student in the College of Agricultural and Life Sciences has really allowed me to grow as a person and make me confident about what the future holds. For the past 2 years, I've had the opportunity to be an ambassador for the college, which has allowed me to represent the college at various events on and off campus and see the diversity in majors and students that this college has to offer. As secretary of the Geomatics Student Association, I've been able to dive deeper into my specific major and see the potential and the opportunities of a career in geomatics.